This project is the DSP based speed control of a 3-phase induction motor. The type of speed control that is used here is open loop V/F control. To run the 3-phase induction motor, AC signals are required. These signals are required from the inverter module. The pulses that are used to trigger the inverter are generated by using a software. The code that is used to produce the pulses is run by using the Code Composer Studio. These are dumped into the DSP kit. The DSP that is used here is TMS320LF2407. The whole setup is shown here. Now coming to the main part of the project, the PS21765. This is a special intelligent module that is being used in this project. The PS21765 inverter module. This IC consists of 6 IGBTs integrated along with gate driver circuits and protection circuitry. This is the application circuit of the PS21765. This is designed exclusively by using the Eagle software. This is the 15-volt power supply which is used to power up the IC. Next is the rectifier circuit which produces the DC bus voltage for the inverter. The 3-phase voltages that are obtained from the inverter are sensed using this voltage sensing circuit. The pulses from the DSP are given to these gate terminals of the inverter. So we can see the 6 gate terminals of the IGBTs which are brought out. 1, 3, 5 are the gate terminals of the upper group switches. 2, 4, 6 are the gate terminals of the lower group switches. Pins 9, 11, 13 of the DSP are connected to the gate terminals of the upper group switches. Pins 10, 12, 14 of the DSP are connected to the gate terminals of the lower group switches. Pin 19 of the DSP is connected to the ground of the PS21765 inverter module. Now coming to the working of the whole circuit. This is the 15-volt power supply. So the input is given through a step-down transformer to obtain the 15 volts AC supply. We can observe the voltage here. This is the DC output. So we can observe the 15 volts on the multimeter. Next is the bridge rectifier circuit which is used to produce the DC bus voltage for the inverter. So we can observe the DC voltage in the multimeter. Next, coming to the coding part. This is the program for V/F control. First we need to connect the DSP. Now is the running of the whole program. First is checking for errors. Now we can see that there are no errors and warnings. So we can see 0 errors and 0 warnings. Now we are loading the program onto the DSP. So once the program is run, we can obtain 6 PWM pulses which are connected to the DSP. And the 6 PWM pulses, these pulses can be observed on the CRO. These are the pulses, PWM pulses. Now we are connecting these pulses to the gate terminals of the IGBTs of the PS21765. We can see the connections. All the 6 pulses are given to the gate terminals of the PS21765. Now we can observe the voltage waveforms, output voltage waveforms on the CRO. So this is the phase voltage of the inverter module. Thank you.